A warm welcome on what is a lovely evening for football. I'm Guy Mowbray to bring you commentary along with England legend Sue Smith. And we've got a division rivals game on the way for you. Sue, what are your expectations from this?
Yeah, it's always good to watch.
I know, biasa kita bola po.
Nights like these are just what you hope
Continue
for
with
as a
FIFA,
spectator. A warm welcome. I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical and technical analysis, it's Stuart Robson. And we have action from foot rivals coming up for you. Stuart, what are you expecting to see?
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
A matter of keeping his composure, and there it is, a goal!
Golazo!
I must say, much to the annoyance of the keeper.
What the for them now?
Rolling again,
Wow.
with the scoreline standing at 1-0. It might be on for them. Gives it a go. It's still alive. And
Where's the-
instinct from the keeper.
Well, a top-class reaction from a top-class goalkeeper. Brilliant stuff.
Trying to deliver it accurately and efficient defending. We're using the space really well, but now can they push on? Well, it fizzles out thanks to that piece of defending. He's in position. Chances on. Well, it looked as though he might be through. Not so. Oh, surely! And in.
Oh, surely!
Yes! Exactly what they were hoping to produce. They've delivered the goal. So the ball rolling again at 2-0. Zinedine Zidane. Nicely timed tackle. Oh, superb skill.
Aceitaram ali, ó.
And defensive play to be applauded.
Então,
And teammates around him. Oh, in with a chance. And a goal!
Golazo!
As they accelerate away from the opposition.
Não perdona a nadie.
Police.
Masa ulisan daw. Ay.
It's a good-looking ball. Lost possession. Michael Olise. Nabhi. And nicely struck. Really well hit, but just too much height on it. Zinedine Zidane. Getting in there to intercept. And he might be through here.
Tá bom.
Brave goalkeeping to deal with the danger.
Logo me
He
falou.
had to get that right, didn't he? That's good goalkeeping.
And possession lost there. Gnabry.
Free kick.
Now doesn't get away with it. Free kick given.
Ula bucho.
Ronaldinho.
De
Up to
Gea.
that free kick.
Vai Zidane.
Easy feet.
Valeu, Ronki.
Well, there's a living, breathing example of positional sense. Zidane. Well, he stopped them in their tracks. He's in here. Opportunity still there. And he finds the net. He could hardly miss.
He finds the net.
Well, this is threatening to get out of hand. Just look at the scoreline. Oh, he looks threatening. Oh, that's a super piece of defending. Well, he was a long way from goal, but that didn't seem to bother him.
Well, he won't strike a football much better than that. That certainly had the keeper worried.
Well, a good place to win it back, and let's see what it leads to. Oh, good defending to stop a decent-looking attack. Now, acres of space out wide for Spartans. Oh,
Y estamos. Dale, vamos a darle un capo bueno.
and he has options available. That's an interesting pass. Well, just the tackle that was needed. Ayamiyama. Oh, that's a really good run. Doan.
Dale, referee.
Ball one. Well, as you can hear, the fans think that should have been a penalty, but I'm not convinced.
Ayamiyama. Now, maybe room here for the counter-attack. Miyama, in with a chance. Oh, magical piece of goalkeeping.
Well, he's just pulled off a great save there. Such good reactions. It really is.
Oh, that's not a good clearance. Really good, strong tackle, and it'll be a throw-in.
Well, you can tell what the fans think of that.
Oh, wait a moment, Stuart. Look at what's happening.
Y está bon.
And in the end, no damage done.
Y está
Giving
bien.
them too much space on the flank. Oh, yes! A goal! Exactly what they were looking for, and he's come up with it.
Vino un lubricante aquí.
Well, the managers will now deliver their half-time team talks. We're at the end of 45 minutes in this game. Well, the Spartans very much bossing the game up to now. Will there be a response in the second 45? Pivotal moment defensively. Could be a convenient avenue for Ronaldinho. It should be. Oh, a save right out of the top drawer. Super stop. That's the challenge that was required. Zinedine Zidane. Chance maybe to use their counter-attacking ability to good effect. Oh, it might be.
Ay, no, ya,
Real
tío.
pace and devilment. All that was missing was a goal.
Well, you're absolutely right. That's how to counter-attack. It really was a great move.
That's what you call defending. Well, a powerful
Bueno,
effort, but not
secondo
threatening the
tutti i
goalkeeper,
spezzo,
and he'll be disappointed.
Normale è stata boom, però ovviamente tirando tu gol pone.
The referee's letting it go as they keep the ball. A bit sloppy in possession. And space afforded Ronaldinho. Trying to chip it. Oh, and that is an audacious chip.
Un gol, dai.
Well, smile. The goalkeeper has no interest in smiling. Quick ball into the area. And the challenge, crisp and clean. It's a fierce effort. And a strong glove on the ball from the keeper. Bruno Fernandes has it. Well, did well to win the ball back. And Miyama, can she put it away?
Ai, capa maduro, mano.
So half an hour remaining. And a tidy challenge.
Well,
that's a really good authoritative tackle. Throw in here. And a disappointing throw.
FD.
Well, the Spartans did well to regain control of the ball. Now feeding it back to the goalkeeper. Zinedine Zidane. Philippa Angeldal. That's a good-looking pass.
No.
They had a bit of work to do in getting to that through ball, the goalkeeper. It's a good-looking move, this, from the Spartans. Feeding it through. Gnabry. Not a genuine opportunity, but it was goal kick. Zinedine Zidane. Ronaldinho. Well read to put an end to that attack.
Papa, zo kan niet lekker. Ik wil zeggen, als ik aan de zijkant lig, dan kan ik gewoon smelten.
They couldn't make anything of that cross with
Klein
the
beetje
ball
dus.
in a decent enough position.
Noten pakken. Maar als ik aan de zijkant
El
doe,
Shaarawy.
dan gaat hij in mijn hand smelten en dan wil ik niet.
And it might be.
Dus dan weet ik niet hoe ik het dan doe. Want
Gewoon aan de zijkant bijten.
dat is dan
Ronaldinho.
te koud.
Perfect challenge.
Dat is te koud.
Nee,
Zo.
Zidane's weighted pass. Oh, it's a superb challenge. Very
Ankara.
timely. A real opening now.
Oh,
that is a
Wat
terrific
is dat El
save.
Shaarawy?
Well, that's a great save from that sort of range. Really good reflexes.
Well, it was never really going to be of
Salido
concern
kami
to the
pinangin
keeper,
ng
that one.
gol pa kami salido.
Well, it's a poor tackle. It might be there for El Shaarawy. And he's outdone himself. Wonderful save there.
Kasi naging vehicle.
Serge Gnabry. And Spartans with the ball once more. Miyama. And just 5 minutes remaining. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. And it's whipped in early. And it must be. And he finds the
And
net.
it
He
must
can hardly
be.
miss.
A mí no perdona a nadie.
And very deftly cut out. Over the touchline for a throw-in.
Papa,
Wat is het?
de ene
Room to manoeuvre, you would think, for Ronaldinho.
jij ziet dat
Superbly read and executed.
maar je bent
That will be the
Je kan het wel hier opzetten. Penalty toch? Pakken. Oh.
Mag ik een klein stukje
Ja, een klein zo. Nee, dat is een grote slokje.
Nee, ik heb geen slokje meemaakt.
Dat is een grapje. Genomen.
I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical and technical analysis, it's Stuart Robson. And if the chips fall the way the fans hope they will, we could be talking about a promotion story today. How's it going to go, Stuart?
Well, what a nervy 90 minutes this will be. They just need one more good performance and 3 points. What a game we've got in store for us.
And there to intervene. Ayamiyama. Opportunity here. Tremendous defending to stonewall him. And the starting 11 for the Spartans. David De Gea between the posts. William Saliba starts alongside Evan Ndika in central defence. And in this tactical setup, they have just the one player in attack. And this is the initial 11 for the visitors today. Dayo Upamecano plays with Inigo Martinez in central defence. Paul Scholes plays alongside Frank Lampard in the engine room. And the tactical configuration has two players in attack from the very outset.
Comes he down.
Well, that's good defending. Well organised up the back. And they could do damage. Timely challenge. And a goal!
Nee, die
Win the promotion.
Nee, vraag je. Maar één keer papa vraagt je tweede keer.
Could be the defining moment. It's theirs to lose now.
And the ball moving again. What sort of response will we see from them now?
Ja.
Angeldor. Lovely ball over the top. And it goes!
Maar dan zoek het weer. Maar.
This is not over yet.
Well, they've lost their way here. The warning signs have been coming.
That's a good-looking pass. Now with Biani. She has teammates around her.
Zo.
And the Spartans unable to retain possession. Paul Scholes. Zinedine Zidane.
Zo niet alleen weer.
Can he do it from miles out? Well, an attempt almost from a different postcode and not very far away.
Well, from that sort of range, that's a very decent effort.
Now they have possession in a good area of the pitch. Really fine piece of defending play to break us up. Could be. Oh, they've done it! And surely now promotion in their future.
Hij kan het.
Well, that's just been what a big goal that is. Well, let's see this again. He tries to run out with the ball. He has the ball taken off of him. He's made the wrong decision, and suddenly the ball's in the back of the net. Terrible defending.
Die Koens na baila kami. Sim, ó, no stream sem problema. Dus meestal laat hij daar. Dit is mijn speler, dus laat het. Anders gaat die dingen falen. Laat het tussen.
Hello and thanks for joining us live here on EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray and the former England forward Sue Smith is with me for commentary. And the focus here is on division rivals action. It's the Spartans and they take on the Bulldogs.
Yeah, this should be a good one. They're a team in really good form, exciting going forward.
Team in really good form.
They're looking to take that quality into this match, I'm sure.
Here's how Spartans line up today. David De Gea stands between the posts. William Saliba plays alongside Evan Ndika in the centre-back positions. And they go with just one in attack.
Here's the
lineup for the Bulldogs.
It's a 4-5-1. The midfield will be crowded and they'll be looking to win the battle in there. It's essential they don't sit too deep and the midfielders advance to support the lone striker.
And a really good bit of goalkeeping to keep that out. Ritsudoa. And the defender saw the chance to stop them and took it. Haley McCutcheon. Zidane. That has stopped any potential danger. Now, this might be promising. Pass was read and the ball has changed hands. It's no surprise who we've picked out to have a look at here. What should we expect today, Sue?
Yeah, what a game she had last time out with a hat-trick, a link-up, her finishes, her movements. Absolutely top class.
Oh, just hold on, this could be a goal. And it's an early lead. A terrific start.
And it's an early lead. Like ours. Aanval.
So it's 1-0 as the ball gets rolling again.
Deze, naar oppassen.
And the attack is over. Really good defending. Harry Maguire. And played back to Mania. Well read to gain possession. Well, what a place to lose the ball just when the chance was on. And this could be. Oh, seeking his second goal, but the keeper stops it.
He's certainly been bright, getting himself into good positions on a regular basis, but this time the keeper's equal to him.
It's gone behind, chance gone, attack over. Jari Litmanen. That's a good ball.
Offside nog.
Encouraging signs to the attack, but it hasn't led to anything. Ritsudoa. Oh, they've lost it. The attack is over. Jesse Lingard. That's gone straight behind. It's a complete waste.
Agora estou com a mão.
Federico Valverde. This is a positive move from the Bulldogs. And stopped in their tracks with a change in possession. Could be a chance to break here. Really good stop.
My love of my love.
Doan making decent progress here. The ball is lost, and the chance has gone too. Now to play it goes for a throw-in. The throw-in is one of the basics of the game. That's poor. Miyama. And a great ball from Miyama. What a chance here. Save, but not clear. Oh, great work from the keeper to avert the danger. Nicely sets it up. Possession lost just at the point of something happening. Miyama! Amazing! Had to score but didn't. And that's a bad one. Just how bad is down to the referee. Read the pass well and cuts it out. Haley McCutcheon. Just needs the composure now. The keeper nowhere to be seen. They've been punished. Shocking defending.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a nice through ball to split the defence. And it's a lovely finish too, under pressure. But he just rounds the keeper, calmly finishes. It's a really nice goal.
Play on is the referee's call. Oh, it was a good advantage played. But now a free kick with nothing really developing. Really good pass. And that's going to be it for the first 45 minutes. And we're off for the second half. Bulldogs now given some room in which to operate. As it goes, corner coming. They decide against putting it into the box. Backer. And that wasn't bad, but it had to be better.
It did. It's not a bad effort though. You just feel if they get one, they'll get themselves back into this game.
Zinedine Zidane. The forward progress continues. They'll have a go here. It's a good try, and only just wide of the mark.
Good try!
Jari Litmanen. That's a good ball. That has missed by quite a distance. This could be threatening. Oh, a great chance. No, but he can't do anything to keep that one out. You can see the frustration tinged with...
Trove botawai lagam. Weet je, we gaan zo aankleden. Oké.
Wat zeg je?
We gaan zo aankleden.
Oké.
Want dat we dan placeren. Mim gando FIFA urato back. Te e próximo vez.